Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. So let's start. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of decimals, that is multiplying numbers, any decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. So let's study how will we multiply these numbers. In order to study the properties, you must be knowing about the property that we studied in the previous class. That is, any number you can take, whether it is a larger one or a smaller one, multiplied by 1, the product will be the number itself. Yes, as you can see in the first example, 2.38 is getting multiplied by 1. The product is the number itself. That is, the answer will be the question itself. Okay. So now let's study about 10, 100 and 1000. So as you can see in the second example, 2.38 is getting multiplied by 10. So how many zeros are there in 10, dear students? There is only single zero. So what are you going to understand here is, when we multiply any decimal number by 10, as you can see 2.38 is multiplied by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. How? As you can see, the decimal point was here after 2. You need to jump one time. So as you can see here, the number is 23.8. Prior it was 2.38. So how many times you need to move? You need to move only one time towards right side. Let's go with the next one. 2.38 getting multiplied by 100. So as you can see, there are 2 zeros in 100. It means you need to move twice. Yes students, so when we multiply a decimal number by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 2 places. It means you need to jump 2 times and then place a decimal point. Okay, so let's go with the next question here. As you can see, 1000 is underlined here. Okay, so there are 3 zeros in 1000. It means you need to move 3 times. You need to jump 3 times. So when you shift the decimal point from 1, 2, and then when you observe the third place, there is no number. It means if no number is given, you need to put some extra zeros over there and then place a decimal point. So here the decimal point is placed after 0 and you need to jump 3 times. So students, what is the trick here? What are we going to understand here? You just need to remember, count the number of zeros, that much time you need to jump or you need to move. So the trick is, number of zeros is equal to number of places you have to move. Very simple. Okay. So you need to just understand the concept very clearly, have a practice and look into it, watch the video, and we are going to get back to you again with the help of next video in the next class, that is division of decimals. Okay. Bye everyone.